In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Adidas on Hacoo. So the first thing you want to do is go to the top where there's a search box and type in Adidas. There we go, press search. And if you get the same message I got, so no results found for Adidas, there's three things that could be the cause for that, okay? And I'm going to tell you each and every single one of those three. So the first reason may be because it's simply not in stock, because things like brands on Hacoo, like Adidas for example, or Nike or something different, they come in very limited quantities and the stock is very limited and gets sold out very, very quickly. So what you can do is, of course, check Hacoo a few times a day and try searching for the brand you're looking for and see if there's anything available. So you may have to get a bit lucky to be able to get this. However, there's two more things you can do. So down here at the main menu, you can simply go bottom right and you want to make sure you are signed in with your account. If you are just as a guest and you don't have an account, you're not logged in, you should log in, because if you're not logged in, there's actually no way that you can find brands on Hacoo, and many people confirm that online. Now once you've done that, you want to go to top right, click those three lines, and then go to region and try changing your region to something different and then seeing in case there's at Adidas available in your new region. If it's not, then there's one more thing you can try that people said works. You can go to language and change it to Spanish. So Espanol over here, even if you don't speak Spanish, no worries, because it's easy to navigate the app around even in the Spanish language. So then try finding them. If you still can't find anything Adidas related, that means that it's simply not in stock, and unfortunately you will have to wait and keep on checking the app for whenever it comes up so you can then buy it for yourself. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.